Tony, that's a pop.
That's a pop, baby.
That's a Tony Schiavone pop.
Yes, sir, man. There you go. I'm with you, buddy. Some days I don't give a damn either. Stick your hands in your pocket. Watch out.
Oh! Luchasaurus, so highly proficient in martial arts. Oh!
Nice counter, boy, I tell
How
you.
about that?
Stun
Really a
dodge
nice counter.
millionaire by Orange Cassidy, but Jungle Boy makes the blind tag. Goes over the shoulders. Orange Cassidy drop kick. Springs up to his feet.
Oh, here they come.
He's not going to, is he?
Hands in the pockets. He's freshly squeezed.
No pulp.
Is that what that's called, a freshly squeezed?
No pulp.
Got to give the people what they want.
I can see hugging sweaty men is a good thing.
No kink shaming, JR.
No.
Oh.
Jungle Boy getting right back into this.
Oh!
Unfortunately for him.
Taylor launching Jungle Boy over the top. Trent answering with the spear. The falling slash. 1, 2. Oh, Marco with the diving foot stomps to break it up.
Did he fall asleep when he was up on the top turnbuckle
I
that
think he
time?
fell asleep in midair.
I think he did.
And now best friends have Marco stun isolated.
Marco trying to fight out of this predicament.
Pops.
He's like,
Oh!
Marco is like, he's elusive. He's like trying to pour smoke through a keyhole.
Goes over the shoulders of Trent, and now Marco just spikes Trent on the top of his head.
You got to give Marco credit. He knows what he can do. He knows what his limitations are, and he uses those to his ability. He does.
Marco stunt the one-man wrecking crew. Getting up on the shoulders of Luchasaurus. And now Luchasaurus, the prehistoric press.
I love it.
He threw him down and here, you have him. You took him for a while.
The rising knee strike stops Jungle Boy dead in his tracks.
Jungle Boy and
Oh, reverse into the cover.
Roll up.
1, 2.
Yeah!
There you go, kid.
What about that? Jungle Boy Jack
Oh, winners of this match,
got a 3 count.
Jurassic Express.
Jungle Boy picking up his first victory inside an AEW ring. And the Jurassic Express looking great here in Trios competition tonight.